we're gonna turn your footage from this to this and to this. And here's how. Warp stabilizer. Stabilizer effect that removes unwanted movements in your footage so that I can look as smooth as butter. Sometimes when I don't have my gimbal for shoots and I have no choice but to get handheld shots, I rely on warp stabilizer. But sometimes it just don't be doing a job. It really be failing me sometimes. So I came across this feature in warp stabilizer that was an absolute game changer for me. And I feel like you guys should know about this too. To fully inform you guys, this feature of warp stabilizer is not accessible in Premiere Pro, unfortunately, but if you have After Effects, you're good to go. Alrighty, you should already have your video on the timeline. From here, go to the Effects and Presets tab, type in the warp stabilizer effect, and drag it and drop it into your clip. Click the checkbox on for preserve scale, come over to the advanced settings, and click on detailed analysis. Now if your clip is not too shaky and you're satisfied with what you have, then you can basically just stop here. But if you're not, and your footage is a weird warpy shake, we can fix that by turning on the show track point box. Now, this process is an absolute pain in the ass sometimes. Not sometimes, like most times, but it's all worth it at the end. These colorful track points will show all around your clip. The main points we're focused on are the ones on your subject. You're gonna go to the first keyframe, then left click and drag your mouse over the subject. You know it's selected when your track points turn yellow. Once highlighted, press delete on your keyboard to delete the selected track points on your subject. Now go to the next keyframe and repeat the same process. Once done, turn your show track points box off and you should notice improvement within your footage. If this helped you guys, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for the next video. Peace.